He's wobbling towards me.
Hey, George Lopez. I can't see him.
Because he's black.
Hey, George Lopez. You're wobbling? Look at him, he's wobbling. Let's bring out Manny Pacquiao. He's feisty. Look at him. Takes no shit from no one. Double negatives.
George.
And Mulan right there. Jealousy.
She's so big now.
I know. But she's so small compared to everyone else. Well, like, grown up. Come on, Manny. You can do it. Go! Look, he looks so defiant. He's brave.
So tiny.
Did you just pee? Yeah, he peed. And now you're licking the pee. Look, it's so small. Puddle of pee. What do you want? Look at him. He's wobbling towards. You're biting my shoelaces now? You fiend. Hey, Georgie. George Lopez. Manny Pacquiao. And Snow White. Such a big head.
Puppies.
Puppies. Puppies. Puppies. Uh-oh. Fight going on. Fight's going on. Fight's going on. Yeah? Yeah? The what?
The boat in the porch.
The boat?
Yeah, because we have one more in the porch.
I know. Pacquiao was like pissed when I put him in here alone. Pacquiao.
Yeah, he's a fighter. That's why there's some focus on the...
Hey, Liza, look. Look. Easy. Oh, my God, hey. Are you trying to push the door? Can't do that. You might fall. Not ready for such heights. Do you like the tanness, George? You match. We're not big heads.
Come on.
Hey, Pacquiao. And Milan. Aww. And